Dear students, good morning. So in this particular video, we are going to see that how to make a internal thread over a cylindrical bore. So for this also we are going to use the basic center lathe, and the only difference between the external thread making and internal thread making is, in the external thread making we will be moving the cross slide towards the lathe axis. Towards the lathe axis we will be moving the carriage, right, for making the external thread. In the meantime, for internal thread making we will be moving the cross slide away from the center of the lathe axis. This is what we are going to do here, and let us see how is the internal thread is done. So here a internal thread making bore tool tip is mounted on the tool post, and here the required job is to be made internal thread in the inner bore is mounted in the 3-jaw chuck, and now we are going to make use of this lathe by adjusting this cross edge, and we will be giving the movement away from the lathe axis, right, and we are also going to engage the automatic engager for the cross slide motion, and we are going to do the operation. Sir, please, we can start. So the machine has been on and mated, and the automatic gear engager has been engaged now, and slowly now our internal tool tip is moving inside the bore. You can see it is slowly moving. Okay, the first run is over. We are taking the internal tool tip out, and again we are mating, and again we are engaging, and it is slowly moving inside. Okay, mating again. So as I told earlier, the number of turns is depend upon the depth required in the thread. So here you can see the threads has been made internally in the cylindrical bore. Thank you.